Yo, trade intuition, flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. Wallets packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it. Trade intuition, candlestick intuition. Charts wilder than Wild West ambition.
That's right, guys. It gets wild. It's crazy wild. Even the crypto markets in the bear market gets crazy, and the bull market gets crazy, and the bull market that's really like a bear market gets crazy. What's not crazy is starting in 3, 2, 1. Yo, that was an awful transition. I know it. I know. No camera today, guys. No camera today. My hair is a little bit crazy. Hair is a little bit crazy. No, I was up late last night, and I don't want to be yawning to y'all like every 3 minutes. So give you a heads up. Now, of course, if there's an awkward pause in the middle of a sentence, or just a awkward pause in general, that's me yawning. Give you a heads up. Stayed up really late last night, a bunch of charts, and I thought the market was going to come down. It was coming down a little bit, and then of course we had some pretty nice news as far as inflation goes. Had a nice pump, and then it came back down. So let's go ahead and get started. And of course, YouTube loves me so much. YouTube always says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Man, I wish I knew how to fix that. I always get that issue. But who cares about that? Nobody cares about that. Let's see how we can make some money. Well, first off, we got Crypto Coin Mindset as first. Crypto Coin Mindset just killed it today. So congrats to Crypto Coin Mindset. I said congrats. There we go. Let's see here. We also have Wix Y589. She was second. She was in second place. A very close second, matter of fact. No clapping for her? Really? That's pretty rude. I said Wix wife was I guess clapping for you. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Good Lord. I had to put it on the clapping button like 5 times. See here, we have Teast in the house. What's up, Teast? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you so much for being here. Of course, everybody, please smash the like. The like does help support the channel. All right, so let's go and get, hey, look at that. We got a round of applause for Teast as well. Thank you guys so much. If y'all have any questions, please let me know. If you want me to do charts, let me know as well. As always, what we do on this stream is we have a different approach to trading. Support resistance. And I always say support resistance trend lines. Somebody called me out on a group where they said he always talks about support resistance trend lines, but I never see him do trend lines. I don't like how he trades. It's like, okay, guy, calm down. Calm down. I do trend lines, but it's mainly using just my eyeballs. And then if they need to be, I'll put them on the chart. But if y'all have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions about the way I trade, let me know too. So you're just going down the list really quick. We got Dylan in the house. What's up, Dylan? We have Bullish on Parade. What's up, my friend? We got Yoda, the one. 1, 2, 3. I love it. I love it. We got West in the house. West, good morning. Good morning. So, all right, we got our first request. We have our first request. Greatly appreciate that. If y'all want other coins, let me know. So our first request is XYO. Now, of course, the more requests that we get, the less that I talk and the more that I work. Give you a heads up, but don't give me a list like 20 charts, please, though. See, total market cap looks bottomed. Total market cap, we'll look at that too. Total market cap. Okay. Here. Very nice. All right. So let's go and get started. Right there, that awkward pause was a yawn. Gonna have several of those, so that's the reason for no camera today. We have the crypto bubbles on the hourly time frame. IP is up 10.7%. This one has been looking pretty nice. We're gonna look at some of them that have been looking pretty nice that have been given to us about a week or two ago, and see if possibly they're ready for entry, or if just to kind of, I guess, keep an eye on them. But right now the market's pretty green for the hourly. So to me, that means Bitcoin is going up. I don't know. We will find out in just a moment. On the daily, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Let's go to the liquidations heat map. Right now it is refreshing, but I always like to give it one more refresh before we start. This is on the 24-hour time frame. We have an extremely hot spot at 82,172. And then we have some areas down here, but nothing too crazy, at 80.5. But right now, this one's just screaming to us, 82,172. So we might be able to do a long, short term, and just a really quick, yep, it's still up here. 82, that's what we're looking at. 82,172. We do have another area down here at 85.45. But this one is super, super bright, and we are right at it. Now let's look at this. I do like seeing this, and we're gonna refresh it one more time, even though it just refreshed. What we're doing is we're looking at all of the liquidations. Liquidations for the last hour. We have 19 million, okay, 16 million, liar. 16 million on the 1 hour, as far as getting wrecked. So the longs were getting wrecked on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, longs were getting wrecked. On the 12 hour, longs were getting wrecked. And on the 24 hour, shorts were getting wrecked. So right now the longs are getting wrecked. Why would they get wrecked? The price is going up. But for those of you who are new to the channel, this is the way I trade. I trade using SMC, Smart Money Concepts. I use supply zones, demand zones, market structure, break of structure, change of character, order blocks, fair value gaps. This is what I use to trade. In addition, I use ICT, which is inner circle trading. This is the composite man, Smart Money Concepts, the smart money, the liquidity areas. I use all this stuff. Now I use all this stuff without using all these big words. I just show you how it works. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, fear and greed. I like looking at this too. So right now for the fear and greed for the stock market is 18. It's up 2 points. For the crypto, it is 34. Boo. Go back down to 10. Come on, we need more discounts. So right now it's 34. It is increased 10 points. Let's go to the charts. All right. So breaking news, U.S. inflation, this was 3 hours ago. U.S. inflation falls to 2.8%, lower than expected. So it goes down to 2.8%. And this was the news. We had a really nice pump, and then a dump to now do a pump. So if I was a betting man, I'd say I would long it right now. And just for giggles, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and long it. So this is the area that I'm watching. But this is what I'm thinking. Just due to that news, I'm thinking we're going to do something like this. So I'm going to long it. Let's see here. I'm going to go 78 leverage market. I'll put a little bit of money in right now. And then I'm going to do a little bit of money in right now, and I'm gonna put a lower entry. So let me go ahead and do this. Okay, so on the 15-minute time frame, I'm underneath my VWAP, which is the blue line, which is right where my 30 SMA is at as well. It is currently above my 9 SMA. We still have 5 minutes to go for the time for the candle to close. Hey, we got Freezy in here. What's up, my man? What's up, Freezy? Appreciate you for being here. Appreciate everybody for smashing the like. Right now, we're just getting to a degen trade. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Let's kind of see how this looks. I haven't put my lower entry yet. So on this one, or even my stop loss. Hey, what happened? How come it didn't go through? Refresh. Am I in? Please tell me I'm in. Okay, I'm in. My computer didn't refresh. Yesterday, I was having issues with a huge delay. Huge delay. Man, that looks ugly. Let's see if I can get a better one. We'll change up the colors. There we go. That looks better. Get out of here, rookie. So I got this going on right now. Just a quick degen play. We'll see how it looks, how it goes. But if I was a betting man, I'd say it's going to be going up, and we'll see what happens. Right now in the 5-minute time frame, currently the price action broke above our 9 SMA, which is our white line. Currently crossing over our 30 SMA. We're still underneath our 200 SMA, and then the blue line is our VWAP. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. The area that I'm concerned about is the area of most resistance. This is my little zone that I got right here. And let's see, should I adjust this zone? Let me take this off so I can see it just a little bit clearer. I don't want to go down here because then let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. I like it better on the 15-minute. Do it like right here. Yeah, I did it right there. Doesn't really matter. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay. So put those back on. Oh yeah, I need a lower entry. Got. I need a lower entry. That's working. All right, so I'm gonna put my lower entry down here. How far away is that? And will I not get liquidated before I hit that? Oh, perfect. No liquidation. So I'm gonna do 2 entries. No, I'll just do 1. And if I get wrecked, I get wrecked. I don't want to get wrecked, of course. Wait, my liquidation says 81. Let's go mark this up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at Bitcoin. See, yeah, no camera today, man. I was up super crazy late last night. So you're going to see me yawning like 8, maybe 10 times in the show. And I don't want to be doing that. No yawning on the show. See, 81,065 is my liquidation, but I like putting it a little bit higher. Okay, so there's my liquidation, and for my trying to get the 50% mark, so about right here. So this is going to be my adding to my entry. We'll put this one as white. And then I'm going to copy this. And then now I'm going to go to limit. I was in doing market, so now I'm going to go limit, put in the amount, put in a little bit, and then go. Okay, so that is in. Okay, we'll see how it goes. I kind of monitor it. I would expect it to come down, but I did it right now just in case it does something like this. That's why I did it right now. Because normally I would like to see it come down and then enter here as it comes up. But I probably won't be able to watch it. All right, moving on. Okay, so let's go ahead and hide all this mumbo jumbo. And let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, so right now, no camera, just due to the fact that I stayed up really late last night and started, I don't want to be yawning. Okay, so let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this yellow line is my 200 SMA. And, oh, thank you, Wes. Wes says, great stream last night. Yeah, man, we started at almost 1. We did it for like 2 hours. And then after that, I was doing some charts and listening to a movie in the background. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see here. So we're on the daily time frame. This yellow line is the 200 SMA on the daily. And we can see that we did close underneath the 200 SMA. The 200 SMA is extremely important. Just to let everybody know, on the daily time frame. It's very important. Most traders, this is, if nothing else, this is one of the key factors that everybody looks at. The price action closed underneath the 200 SMA. The next day, it came up, tried to wick across it, and then came back down, closed underneath its open, making it red. Next day, tried to come up, and it ended up closing just underneath the 200 daily SMA. And then today, we still have 7 hours to go before possibly going above the 200 SMA. Price action really needs to go above in order for us to have a better outlook on hitting our major resistance zone, which is between 94.2 and 91.9. See, that was another yawn. That's why I did not have the camera. We got Angel in the house. What's up, Angel? Appreciate you, man, being here. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. And thank you guys for smashing the like. It really does help support the channel. Let's see here now. And I love how like these respect the trend lines. Like I absolutely love it. So here's my main area. And we had a lot of great questions last night, guys. One thing I would strongly recommend, if you're not in a group already, I would recommend to watch my videos. All of them. My live streams, my little 8-minute videos, because it's going to show you all of the tips and tricks. Now, if you want to join a group, well, guess what? I got one. There you go. Send me a message on Telegram. It's trade_intuition. And it's also on the top of the screen as well. But we go over all that stuff, do updated videos and all that fun stuff. But let's go to a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the beautiful respect that the price action has for these key levels of trend lines. And I believe it was 3 days ago that I made a video. It was a live stream where I showed you how to get these key levels. Like I deleted all of my 100 and something drawings and we started from scratch. And I showed you exactly what I was doing and how I was doing it. That way, of course, you have these key levels. Right now, it's respecting this really nice. This is the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Whoa. Price is coming down. Go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, I do think it's going to come up though. I think it's going to do something like this. So we'll see. Break above that line. Break above it. See here. It's on the 1 hour time frame. For the pattern, people. Right now, I'm currently squinting my eyes very tight. And I see a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. For all the pattern people out there. I don't do patterns. I just see that we have a really nice zone right here. And this is the area it needs to break. but it's on its way. It's making higher lows, which is good. Which is good. Now, I would think that it would come down here to get this, as I did last night. This is my thought process last night. But due to the news and due to people maybe trying to get interested in the market, now I'm thinking, okay, maybe we will come up, get rejected here, come down, get find support, and then break up. So this is my current thought process due to the news. This is what I was thinking was going to happen. But due to the news, possibly this. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. That's the biggest thing. Like, nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows the top. Nobody knows the bottom until more time has passed. We had a lot of great questions yesterday, too, in reference to that. Good morning, JB. Appreciate you, man, for being here. So no camera today. Reason for it, well, I was up very late last night doing streams, and then after that, I was listening to a movie when I was charting, and went to bed really late. So I don't want y'all see me yawning. Right now, price action. Come on, price action, you were just green. But I do think that price action will come up to about here before possibly coming down and then bouncing here. Is what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking price action will come up to about here, come down, and come up, down, bingo bango. Let's go. See here. What movie did I hear? It was Snowden. I love Snowden. I love that movie. It was on YouTube for free. I love that movie. That movie opens up a lot of eyes. A lot of eyes. And it was funny. Because like I just started doing my banking on my phone recently, like the past 2 years. But before that, I never did it. Never did anything on my phone. No trading, no nothing on my phone. And I have a VPN, and of course the VPN's also on my phone. And when I was married at the time, she's like, "What's this on your phone?" I was like, "Oh, it's a VPN. It's for added security." She goes, "Well, what are you hiding?" I'm not hiding anything. It's just an extra layer of security. You know, I don't do anything on my phone. No bank, no money, anything on the phone, because I know that we're being watched. I'm not a tin hat foil person, but I know this. And she's like, "Well, what are you doing that's so wrong that you don't want anybody knowing?" It's like, that's not the point. Like, I don't want to live in a glass house. You know, I may not be doing anything wrong, but, you know, privacy. And she's like, "Well, you're probably doing something wrong." It's like, oh my gosh. Man, she had everything on her phone. She had the bank, she had everything. It's like, no, not me. Too afraid. I got $14, so I'm going to keep it, you know? All right, moving on. So we do have XYO and total market cap. This is what I'm thinking. Let's go to XYO and trying to see if I have one already. Oh, and I don't think I do. All right. So this is ETH really quick before we let this go. ETH on the 1 hour. What do I have here? Oh, so ETH on the 1 hour is still doing well. We entered this one 2 days ago on my stream. We called it out right here, came all the way down, hit our first target. Oh, well, we only had one target. And then now it's kind of rolling over. But with this bullish news for the inflation, we may start seeing stuff come up. We might. Nobody knows. All right, so let's go ahead and do XYO USDT. And let's go KuCoin. I don't see MXC. See, I've heard of NordVPN for about 10 years. Oh, you've had. Yeah, the one I use is ExpressVPN. I've had Norton. I actually paid for their extremely expensive service. I forget what it was, but it's the one. Hopefully they don't auto renew me. I think it was like $300. I don't even know. And to me, that's too expensive. But my ex-boss, he was telling me to buy the one that has like the static IP address. I think that's the option, or a fixed IP. I forgot. Anyway, it was a special option, and so I paid for it. A lot of money that I didn't need because I already had a VPN, and I never really used it. It's a waste of money. But I've had a lot of different VPNs. My favorite one is ExpressVPN. So XYO. All right. So XYO, I think this one was shown to us a few, when this pump was here. I was like, oh no. Like, more than likely it'll come down to maybe 50% mark, maybe about here. I guess, yeah. I should have labeled it. But right now it looks pretty good. I'd just be very careful because it may come down to this level. Let's go to this beginning of the move to here. And let's go ahead. So the price action may come to here and then do this and then come down. But I don't think it'll go lower than the 786. If not, forget it. But I think it'll do something like this. And then coming up. What's the percentage? Oh, that's nothing. That's nothing. Yeah, I don't know what XYO is or the market cap, but looks good to me. Had a really nice pump. Market cap is low. Market cap is really low. Just looking at the candles. Oh, maybe I have it up here somewhere. 229 market cap. Oh man, these candles make it look like it's worse than that. Well, it probably is now. It's probably like worth 100 million. It's come down quite a bit since the last time we talked about it. So this was the price run up, and it's just been dumping ever since. Okay, so now let's, oh, hold on, wait a minute. Let's zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. I don't like it. Why did it pump? Nobody can tell me that. Look at these candles. Nobody's buying it. Like literally nobody's buying it. Literally. Literally. Did I mention literally? Nobody's buying it. Why did it pump? Is it from a pump group? The same pump group that did this? They need to do that. Pumped all the way up. Took it all the way back. And some. And some. Hey, we got Sam in the house. Hey Sam, how's it going, man? Happy you're here. Happy you're here. So I'm not sure if this was due to a Binance listing, if it's available on Binance, or some kind of listing, or just I've held XYL since 2018. But then hopefully you're up. Nope, you're not. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see here. Go to the daily. All right. Let's do some investigative work. I've done this before. Sure. XYO. XYO. Okay. 152 million. Okay. That's pretty much what we're looking at. Let's go to markets. We have Coinbase, very nice. KuCoin. Okay, so 2 good sites. Crypto.com, 3 good sites. They've been around since 2018. Had a really nice run up in 2021, and then had some decent run ups. Now, granted, the market cap is extremely tiny, so these moves really don't mean much because the market cap is so small. Now it is the tags. Oracle, nice. Play to earn, okay. DPIN, distributed computing, I love it. Nope, not on Binance Joe. No new tags, no news tags on the chart for the pump. Yeah, thank you, JB. Yeah, it's a pump group. If there's no news or anything for it to have done anything, it's a pump group. See, XYO network, the data verification DPIN. XYO's a DPIN verifies location and other real world data for any Web 2 or Web 3 project. I like it. Okay, the token, the coin, the labs. All right, information. As XYO nodes. Okay. See here, recent blog post. So March 11 yesterday. Okay, so they're doing stuff. They had a test net. Okay. They're doing stuff. I believe Pump came with collab news with Weather XM. Okay. See here, a sovereign internet, own and control data, security and transparency, modular and optimal. Okay. They were in Forbes, maybe. Coinbase. Oh, so November, they launched on Solana. Okay. Okay, so it's not like a scam project or nothing that I can see. All right, so now let's go to the charts. Let's go ahead and delete everything. Oh, let's go ahead and put on at least, let's put on at least the market cap. Okay, it's like 20%. All right, so let's delete everything. Oh my gosh, my mouse. Delete 40 drawings. Yes, get out of here. All right. So now we're going to look at this from a fresh set of eyeballs. I think we need to get a new mouse pad, because this thing isn't catching. See here. So I would like to have seen it stop here. You know, right in this zone. But it kept going. Like in this zone, I would like to have it to found support. It was trying to, and then just boop, and then uh-oh, we're down on our Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh wait, no, I have the other order. I forgot. So right now we're okay. Let's see here. So let's do our fib retracement from bang tool, from the low to the high. So put this just underneath our golden pocket. Okay. All right. So let me get rid of this, because I don't want a bunch of noise on my chart. Let's go and look at some key levels. So we have a level right here. We have a level right here. Another level right here. I want to do one kind of in the middle. One right here. Okay. So I would have to wait. Was that 30%? 40%? For me personally, I would have to wait about 40% for my alert to go off. At too many sixes on that. Moment. There we go. 0.016067. Set the alert. The 4-hour candle must close above this level. 4 hour. Could you enter sooner? Well, let's check it out. So here. Got to bounce, my friend. Oh yeah, definitely, man. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for smashing the like. You're the best. Appreciate you, man. Let's see here. On the 1 hour time frame. on the 1 hour time frame, well, that's decent. I would do an entry down here. So I'm looking off of this. So from here to about here, it would be about this. And this I will put as my buy zone. And then on top of that, I will put a lower entry. So about right here. That way I can give you an actual price, 0.009892. So this is what I'm looking at. Price either come down here, bounce off of this area, come up to maybe do a lower high, then come down, then go up. So this would be my buy zone if it does that. But like, we don't want to put an entry right now because then you'll buy higher and you'll automatically be at a loss. But if the price does come down, always have a plan A, plan B. If it does come down, I'm looking at something like this. And there you go. Bingo, bango. Bingo and a bango. Hey, I didn't even see this one. So let's see here. Wes says, can you check out Poll, which used to be Matic? Yeah, definitely do that. Poll used to be Matic. I hate it when projects change names. Like, I really do. Like, I hate it. See here. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at. That. And now let's go to the total market cap. Total market cap. Let's go to the list. Let's go to markets. Dang it. Markets. And for markets, let's go here to total. So for total, let's see here. Total. I don't remember if there was a question with that. Let's see here. JB says, I like the accessibility of it. Coinbase, Uniswap, and Radium. Yeah, Coinbase for sure. That's where all the new people are going to go to. So yeah, I agree. So right now, total is at $2.63 trillion. It was at 2.58 trillion. So we do have a nice little increase the past hour. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the weekly. And on the weekly, we drew this long time ago. And we can see that price action is respecting it. It is currently underneath our, no, it just broke above it. So now it's above support. So here's my little zone. And let me go ahead and draw a box. You know me and my boxes. Let's do this in gray. Okay. So let's come back up. So what I'm projecting for November 2025, again, later this year, I'm projecting a 5 trillion total market cap, but I would like to see a 6.35 trillion. Now so this is the projection, 5 trillion. I personally want 7 trillion, but I'll kind of do a little bit of compromise. I'm gonna go 6.53 trillion. And this is from here, this wick to this wick. Boom. Let's go to the daily. Looking at the daily. Let's see here. So we started doing this, and then we need to break this high. We couldn't break it. And then we don't want to break this low, and then we don't want to break this low, and then we broke it. Like, ah, crap. Then we need to break this high. Oh, this high, really. And it said, nope, I'm done. And bloop. And now it's fighting to come back into this zone. So it's just step by step. For our time frame. I wouldn't say it looks strong per se. Of course, you know, we do have our lower highs. It's trying to break above 2.66 trillion. Once it breaks above that, our next level of resistance, 2.7 trillion. And then I think once it breaks out of this small little zone, So let's say it does this into this little zone. Once it breaks out, hopefully, moon mission. Let's go. But that's just wishful thinking. See here, that's ETH and SOL, sex and dex intersecting 1. I'm going to definitely look at XYO more. Okay. Cool. Very nice. All right, so that is total. Let's look at PO. Let's look at Matic. PO USDT. Polygon ecosystem Mexi. Oh. So we entered here. Why would we enter here? Oh, we didn't enter here. We entered here. We entered here. Not here. But like that doesn't make any sense. We entered here. So we entered here March 1st. Maybe here. I guess at the break of this level. But we were right underneath this level. So it might have come down. That's why we're looking at this. So it might come down. If so, here's our lower entry. And then, so we entered, it went up. We're trying to get balance in here, trying to get support. Because of this nice run up, we pulled back. I would have liked to have seen a bounce here to come up. 50% of this move, it did not. Came down even further and just dumped. Stop out. Okay, so now, yes, guys, definitely Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday. I'm gonna change it to 4. That way we can start going to Crypto Billy's stream at 5 on Sundays. So I need to change this. I'll probably do it maybe next month because I procrastinate. So I need to change my Saturday, Sunday to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Market cap it's a pretty good market cap. I really do like this accumulation zone right here. I love this. Right now, it just continues to make lower highs and lower lows. So in order for us to see Swagosaurus Lex, a little pump before more dumpski, 100%, man. But, oh my gosh, come on, Bitcoin is giving me positive and then negative. Plus 10, minus 20. I gotta close this trade. Dang it. I didn't close it. I want to close it. I need for it to find support right here. Did my lower entry hit? No, my lower entry didn't hit. I'm gonna cancel my lower entry. And I'm actually gonna put my stop loss. And I know I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. Because I'm already down 20%. It's a high leverage trade, of course. You know how I do it, especially on YouTube. I do it for the fame and glory. So this will put me at negative 42%. Ouch. And it is set, and it's gonna get hit. Let us watch the demise of my trade. I really want to get support here. And one thing that I really hate is it comes down, it taps my stop loss, and then boom, it booms. Like, are you serious, man? Like, literally, are you serious right now? But I don't mind when it comes and hits my stop loss and it continues coming down. Then it's like, oh, okay. But we entered this, I think, here. How long have we been on? Yeah. I think we entered about here. It was coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down, making higher lows, which is good. And then now it's breaking this. I don't like that. Bitcoin needs to go to the moon, but I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna get stopped out. Joe, you need to have positive thoughts, okay? I'm positive I'm gonna get stopped out. Is that positive enough? I'm positive going to get stopped out. Dawg says, check your DMs, Joe. I think you'll like it. I'm checking my DMs. See here. Is this a song? I gotta put that in my thing. I like it. I like it. So I have a thing that I paid for. Oh, you actually did the songs. Can I play them or will I get copyrighted? Let me know. Can I play them or will I get copyrighted? JB says, ouch. Yeah, so here's my stop loss. But one thing I hate is when it barely, I'm talking barely taps it and then goes. I was like, come on, man, really? Why are you doing me like that? In front of people too? Smacking me in front of a whole crowd? Calling me your little bee? And of course it's like, but yeah. Yeah, so Dawg, let me know, will I get copyrighted if I play them? Let's see here. So we did total market cap. Oh yeah, Polygon. What I should do, since I have my stop loss right there, is just double down. I'll double down on this candle close. So let me go to long. Let me go limit. Let me put my stop loss in. Okay, that looks good. See. Oh no, now I'm only down 14%. I was down 20%. Oh yeah, so for those of you who do not know, I like to get crazy, especially when playing with Bitcoin. I poke Bitcoin with a stick full of honey. It's a hot stick too, so give you a heads up. But when I play with Bitcoin, I go 78x average. Let's go. All right, so that's what I did. But I did not double down. I was gonna see if the candle was gonna close like somewhere down here, kind of showing me that it's above my 30 SMA, my white line, my yellow line. But let's go back to Poe. So for Poe, Polygon, ecosystems, Matic, all these words, it had to break this level. I mean, here's where we have a lot of support, really nice support. So let's get rid of this, trash it. Let's trash everything. Let's save this stuff. I do like this. Copy. And delete 13 drawings, paste. Let's do ray tool, magnet tool. Let's do this level. Put this to white. So like that. I don't know. What's the percentage? From here to here. Okay, not bad. 22. Okay. You know what? Let's do this. Let's just wait. Let's wait 24% for our alert to go off. Once our alert goes off, the 4-hour candle must close above 0.24. Let's just make it simple. Now, why do we want to enter here? Well, because we have, resistance right above, and it's really like a zone. Oh, magnet tool. From here to here. It's a zone of resistance. But once we break above it, now this is support. So even if it does come down, hopefully we bounce here before coming up. So that's what I would do on Polygon. Let's go Bitcoin, let's go. Let's go Bitcoin, let's go. Let's go Bitcoin. Let's see here. What else? Oh, let me check the chat. See here. All yours, buddy. No copyright issues. Oh, sweet. All right. So let's go ahead and listen to the first song as soon as I save it. Okay, that is being saved. And I'm going to, we're all going to listen to it and we're going to rate it from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Get Road Dog. Oops. Road Dog. Song. TI. 01. Do that. Browse. YouTube. Pretty sure it's this one. Now it might be loud, guys. It might be loud. But hold on. Let me turn it down. Let me turn it down. Let me pause it. Everything's going a little crazy. Let me go ahead and do this to where I can hear it as well. Cancel. Filter? No, not filter. Properties. Why can't I hear it? Oh, I know why. 1 second. Advanced auto properties. Now, so we're gonna listen together. This is a debut. This is a debut. So here we go, guys. This is a debut. So 1 moment in 3, 2, and we're gonna judge it. We're gonna judge it.
Yeah. It's Joe. Trade intuition. Crypto king with the vision. Black Enzo's to name. Heart of gold, no fake. Crypto wild, he's the spark we take. 2020, dove in, no fear. Charts on lock, keeping vibes clear. Years deep, technical beast, no cap. Newbies learn quick, he's the map. Breaking it down, real talk you see. Squad's all free, that's the key. Oh, Joe, trade intuition, let it pop. Knowledge drop, we rise into the top. Step by step, he's the vibe each day. Crypto's lit, we slay. No delay, setups bang, win stack here to cheer. Joe's the G we need right here. Yeah, let's go. EST live flex, chart game tight, he's the next best. Here's my play, grin wide, he's the man. Lock it in, we got the plan. No big talk, just true straight flow. Profit stack up, watch him grow. Mind on blast, every thought's a hit. Crypto fam, he's the fit. Oh, Joe, trade intuition, let it pop. Knowledge drop, we rise into the top. Step by step, he's the vibe each day. Crypto's lit, we slay. No delay, setups bang, win stack, hear the cheer. Joe's the G we need right here. Hey, yeah, stack it up. With you, not off you, that's his line. Crew on deck, we grind, we shine. Meant to free, hands out, no greed. Telegram poppin', chart succeeds. Joe the guide, crypto wave we ride. Positive drip, flipping the tide. Tune in tight, feel the beat we move. Trade intuition, that's the groove. Shine on Joe, no doubt, let's cheer. Crypto's hype, with you here. Yeah, Joe. off you, that's his line. Crew on deck, we grind, we shine. Mentor free, hands out, no greed. Telegram poppin', charts succeed. Joe the guide, crypto wave we ride. Positive drip, flipping the tide. Tune in tight, feel the beat we move. Trade intuition, that's the groove. Shine on Joe, no doubt, let's cheer. Crypto's hype, with you here. Yeah, Joe.
Very, very nice. So now we'll do one more. Let's continue jamming.
It's Joe. Let's go trade intuition. Crypto king with the vision. Listen up, we winning. Joe's the name, heart of gold in the game. Crypto wild is the spark to the flame. 2020 took a leap, no fear. Now he's charting every move, keeping vibes clear. Years deep, technical beast, no cap. Breaking it down for the newbies, that's a fact. No gatekeep, he's the plug, you see. Teaching us the ropes, set the whole squad free. Oh, Joe, trade intuition, let it pop. Drop the knowledge, yeah, we rising to the top. Step by step, he's the vibe, no delay. Crypto's lit, we shine every day. Setups bang and stack, here to cheer. Joe's the G we need right here. Hey, hey, let's go. Yeah, 3 p.m. EST, he's live, no flex. Chart game strong, hitting bars like a text. Here's my play, grin wide, he's the man. Lock it in, fam, we got the plan. No big words, keep it real, straight flow. Rhyme and reason, watch the profits grow. Mind on blast, every thought's a gem. Crypto homie, yeah, he's one of them. Oh, Joe, trade intuition, let it pop. Dropping knowledge, yeah, we rising to the top. Step by step, he's the vibe, no delay. Crypto's lit, we shine every day. Setups bang, win stack, here to cheer. Joe's the G we need right here. Hey, hey, stack it up. Yeah, with you, not off you. That's the code he spits. Crew on deck, we all chase the hits. Mentor free, hands out, no greed. Joe's world, planting every seed. Telegram popping, charts in flight. Spot trades, leverage, day or night. Oh, Joe, trade intuition, let it pop. Dropping knowledge, yeah, we rising to the top. Step by step, he's the vibe, no delay. Crypto's lit, we shine every day. Setups bang and stack, here to cheer. Joe's the G we need right here. Hey, hey, Joe, skate. Joe the guide, crypto wave we ride. Positive drip, he's flipping the tide. Tune in tight, feel the beat we move. Trade intuition, that's the groove. Shine on Joe year by year, no doubt. Crypto's hype with you about. Yeah, Joe, let's get it.
Very, very nice. Thank you, Road Dog. You're the best. You are the best. I love it. I love it. Let's give it up for Road Dog. Let's give it up for Road Dog. He really outdid himself. Very, very nice. Nice work, Road Dog. See right here. So right now I'm seeing this and it's kind of looking weak to me. And unless it breaks this, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. So let's see here. You guys are the best. I like this one. Yeah, they were both really really good. I like them both. So now, Road Dog. So what I need to do is I need to start putting your stuff on my my I need to put your like Spotify and everything in my description too, to get more views to your stuff, and that'll work. That'll work just fine. Julian in the house. Yes, round of applause for Road Dog. Very nicely done. Come on, Bitcoin. You're getting me nervous. Get me nervous. Oh, I never did that lower entry. Yeah, my computer, man, I'm pretty sure if I would have had my camera on, my computer, because right now it's like going really slow. Look, see the delay? I'm pretty sure right now my camera would have been messed up. Look at that delay. Crazy. Crazy. Let's see here. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, I do songs, but man, they are really horrible. Like some of them are good, but it takes a long time. And I've had this program for like a long time already. For like a long time. I don't think it pulls up any information, but let me see if I can pull it up. Yeah, it doesn't pull up any information. So I've had this one for a long time, and I don't know, like I'll tell it to do certain things and it won't do it. So here I put hip hop, heavy bass, let's see, maybe I'm just not giving it the right prompts. Deep male voice, singing about, or song about trading crypto, must include the following trade intuition, let's make this money, I want to get rich with you, not because of you, and I think that's it. Okay, so that's the input that I have, right? And then sometimes they'll give me like a female voice, or a voice that's like high pitch. So then I go to create. I gotta do something. Select all images that best match the theme. So it's fish. Got it. Fish. Got it. Okay. So it's gonna create it. And then what I normally do is I do this like 5 times, because like the majority of them are gonna be trash. Yeah, it's all in the prompts. I need to know. See, how much RAM do I? Oh, this is a good computer. I don't know. I mean, it's a good computer, but right now it's doing this number right now. I have a program to tell me what I have in it, but I don't know. It's all in the prompts. Okay, so let's create some more, but we're gonna listen to the first one. So hopefully, we'll turn off my background music. Turn this off. Turn that off. Okay, so let me go to outputs. Right now we're just messing around. Just messing around. Audio output. So here now you should be able to hear it. So if you are able to hear it, let me know. And I believe, I don't even know which one it was. I'm assuming this one.
Like a psychic view, trade intuition's what sees us through. Cryptic waves under the neon hue. I'm stacking stacks till the morning's new. Numbers.
So to me, no, not what I put. I put hip hop, heavy bass, deep male voice, boring.
Watch the charts like a psychic view. Trade intuition's what sees us through. Cryptic waves under the neon hue. I'm stacking stacks till the morning's new. Numbers jump and the market's tight. Late night grind till it hits just right. Not leaving the game till skies ain't blue. I wanna get rich with you, not because of you. Let's make this money feel the dollar rain.
I like
Blockchain pumping straight
but that's
to
a good
our
idea,
vein.
JP.
You and me flipping coins till it's through. I wanna get rich with you, not because of you.
I like this song here. Nice.
Coins are spinning and the blocks unwind. Charts are flipping like a treacherous mind. Trade intuition got my back so strong. In this crypto game you can't stay wrong. Woke up grinding numbers on the screen. The market moves faster than a midnight dream. I wanna get rich with you, not because of you. The hustle is mutual, yeah, that's our view. Let's make this money, stack it tall. Buy the dip before the rise stands tall.
I like this one too.
Crypto waves are crashing, it's a little cruel, but I'll break the chain and rewrite the rule. Coins are spinning, the blocks unwind. Charts are flipping like a treacherous mind.
I must
Trading.
admit though, like Road Dogg's songs, like they are really, really good. Like I don't even like country, and he's got some country songs that's like, I like it, I dig it, I dig it. Let's see what this last one is.
Numbers roll like thunder at night. Fingers tapping screens under neon light. Trade intuition, sharper than a blade. Dodging dips, steady moves, getting paid. Let's make this money, flip it like a wheel. Spark in my chest, this hustle is real. I wanna get rich with you, not because of you. Crypto climbing skies, going where it's new.
I like it. I like it. But yeah, Road Dogg's songs, they're really, really good. Like I do my songs is like, I need to put more prompts. So like a Source Lex says, let's. This one, yeah, they're all pretty good. I like them. I'll probably start having those play in the background. Probably make a bunch of them. I mean, I have a bunch already. Oh, I don't know where all of them are at. I've had this program for a few months now, about a year now, I guess. But it's dumb though, because I'm paying for 2 services. I keep on forgetting to cancel the other one. Anyway, see, those sounded good. Yeah, I just need to do better description. But hey, Bitcoin sometimes makes it look dumb. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go, Bitcoin. Keep it going. Keep it going. So right now, Bitcoin is doing nice. Broke above the level. I didn't like how this was looking, though, to be honest. Because it was coming up and then lower and then lower. It's like, what's going on here? And then bloop. I was like, okay, come on. I'm trying to get this dumb thing to show how much I'm up. I don't know if it's mixed C or if it's my internet. But it takes like literally 30 seconds for me to click stuff sometimes. Man, last time I got wrecked, I was doing Bitcoin and I was doing the slider over so that I could, to see how much money I was going to do. And I saw my stop loss. I was like, okay, cool. I could afford to lose that amount. But I forgot that there's like a delay. So I moved the slider over, and sure enough, the thing was like, sorry about the noise. The thing was delayed. So when I'm actually, getting close to getting stopped out, it was double what I was wanting. I was like, why is it even possible? I was like, oh, snap. I forgot there was a delay. Man, I can't even bring this dumb thing up. It's been up for like the past 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Yep. Any questions, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, issues? Speak now or forever hold your peace. But yeah, guys, definitely check out Road Dawg. He's streaming at around 10:30 at night. And of course, he gives out great content. He has a great community. And oh, I think I made you an admin, Road Dawg. Yes, you are. I see it. Man, that one that I gave to your group last night, I forgot which one it was. Man, that one failed. I think it was Ada. No, it wasn't Ada, but this one failed too. We entered once here. It came up and bloop. I was like, and it came down. Right now it's resting on this. Like, dang it. Let's see here. Cast was another fell. This one. Man, this one looks so good. I was already in this one. This one looks so good. And it's like, nope. Not having it. Not having it. So right now on Bitcoin, it finally loaded. Get out of you. So now I'm going to move my stop loss in profit. And barely in profit too. I'm not taking profit right now, but I moved it barely in profit. Which I have a really strong chance of it getting stopped out. I put it about right here. Let me get rid of all this shit. I put it just above my entry, but it's above my 9 SMA. So there's a really good chance that if the price comes back down, it'll come down to the SMA, which would be where my stop loss is at. But I'll be in profit. Barely. So let's get back to y'all. Background music. But I do like Road Dogg's background music though. He's a beast. He's a champ. Very nice. So any questions, comments, concerns, issues? If not, we will conclude the show. Today was a pretty good show. I only yawned like 4 times. I could have probably had the camera on. I only yawned like 4 times. I thought it was gonna be like the whole show. Yep, that was it. Late, pretty late last night. And pretty bad. All right. So let me just check. I know there's a delay, but so I guess everybody's good. And right now the trade. Oh, JB says, what leverage and amount should I bet with $1 in futures? It depends on what you want to do your stop loss. But so one thing that I recommend. So let's go ahead and let's go to. So that's a great question. It should be like 1 cent for a stop loss, but we're actually going to do a ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT a lot of stuff. So I'm going to put on here. Can you please, you got to be nice to these AIs because one day, last one got auto deleted. Oh, not sure. No, I saw it on here. I didn't know what you were talking about though. Because I guess all of it didn't show up. Can you please create a table showing amount in dollars and how do I word this? I mean, I've done it before. Amount in dollars. Can you please show a table showing amount in dollars and amount of percentage Jeez, man, let me just do this. Can you please create a table showing how much I can lose to help with risk manage? I was going to do like a what I want, but here it'll just do it. See, I mean, that last one got liquidated instantly. Your leverage is too high. That's fine. See, can you please create a table showing how much I can lose to help with risk management? The amounts are $1, $5, $10, $25, $50, $100. I want to only, please show risking 1% of each amount. 2%, 3%, 3%, 4%, 5%, and that's it. Let me see if it does it. If it knows what I'm trying to do, because I mean I've done this before. So amount size, yeah. So I did it, but you don't want to get liquidated. You get liquidated, you lose the whole thing. So let's say you only have a $10 account. If you're gonna risk 1% of your portfolio, you only want to risk 10 cents. Does that mean you're trading with 10 cents? No. That means you can put the whole $10 in, but your stop loss has to only make you lose 10 cents. So that means you either have to reduce your leverage amount or reduce the amount you have in the trade. Hopefully that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I want to share the P&L. So let me know if that makes sense. Let's see here. Yeah, kind of. What do you mean kind of? It's either yes or no. Yes, it makes sense, or no, it doesn't. Let me know. If not, if it doesn't make sense, don't be embarrassed. Like, I'll explain it a different way. See here. See here. Okay, so that sounds like a scam name if I ever saw one. Let's see here. This person says, have heard of the project Agent 10 AI? Everywhere they say the AI agent can get all information about crypto movement using AI. No, I have not heard of that. Tell me more, please. Here, I think it might have finally made sense. Hey, Grimmer, what's up? No, not really. Okay, cool. So we'll show you. We'll show you in real time. We will show you in real time. In my opinion, the best thing is to actually see this. All right. So let's bring this over. And this is my trading account that I trade very high leverage. So there's times where I make money, there's times where I lose money. And right now, let's say I wanted to short this. Why? Because I just do. My short is 40x. You can see they're here. And I'm going to do a short. I'm going to do a market because I want to make sure I get it. And my short, I want my stop loss to be right here. So because of that, let's click on this. Let's come over here. Let's click on the settings. Come on, man. This thing is so, like, my trading is so handicapped because I don't know if it's my internet. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get the setting. You know what? Forget it. Let me just type it in. 82922. So let's say I have a $10 account. So let's go back to our example. So on our example, our $10 account, if I'm going to risk 1%, I can only lose 10 cents. If I'm going to risk 2%, I can only lose 20%. If I'm going to risk 5%, then it's 50 cents that I could lose. Now, with that being said, if you do 5%, like you can lose your account fairly quick if you have a bunch of losses. If you use only 1%, well, then you could lose, 100 times before you lose your account. So just to let you know, like, this is important. So for me, I want to risk 20 cents. So I'm going to do 2% of my $10. So because I can only lose 20 cents, when I do this, if it moves, because right now everything is super slow on my computer for no apparent reason. Come on, I wanted to, thank you. So now I have to move this. So now look, see, it's 20 cents. Now I can short. Confirm it, yes. So if I lose 20 cents. And then I'm gonna get this stop loss and move it up a little bit. I'm actually gonna take some profit on this one. So I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna go market, and I get my $2. So here, it shows it right here. So I'm gonna get my $2, or maybe $1.50 because it's coming down. Okay. So I took my money out, and then now here's my this. So if I go over here to this for my short stop loss, if I click on it, and I gotta wait 30 seconds because I'm at a huge handicap when I trade. And I clicked it a long time ago. So now we're just waiting. JB says, I see now. I didn't know what the estimated P&L was. Oh. Well, now you know. And there you go. So I'm willing to lose 26 cents. Granted, it had said 20 cents at the time, or 19 cents. So if I wanted to, I could move this down a little bit so that it's 20 cents. So let me move this down just a tad. I'll do it right there. And then now we can come back to it. And say confirm. This is like lagging big time. That answered a lot of my questions. Good. So now if I come back over here and I click on this and then I wait another 30 seconds, it'll show that it'll be 20%, or rather, hopefully 20 cents, which would be 2% of my portfolio. Now, when I first started trading, everybody would always say, only risk 1 to 2% of your portfolio. And I'm thinking, man, I can't be trading. I mean, let's just say I only had $100. I can't be like risking so little amount. So 22 cents, and that's fair. It's like I can't be trading with $10. That's ridiculous. But it wasn't trading with $10. It was I'm willing to lose $10. If I had a $1,000 account. So that's where I was confused, because I didn't know what it meant by only risking 1 or 2%. I thought it was per trade. I was like, yeah. But yep. But yeah, for me, it helps a lot with actually looking. So let's say, like, for example, this, like, the margin is what you're actually trading with. Now, some exchanges are different. And this is why I always recommend using the, they have like I forget what they call it, but it's not real. I forget what they call it. But anyway, I recommend doing that because then you can push all the buttons and see what they do. But for this one, for MEXC, the margin is the actual money that you're using from your account. And then the P&L will tell you what percentage it is and the amount you're willing to lose. depending if, and this takes forever to go away, depending if you're going short or long. But since I have this, it'll tell me. So if I didn't click on this, this would tell me how much margin. Come on, man, go away already. I hate this. Go away. I can't move this. Can I move this down? Of course. Move this up, of course. And this, I'm telling you guys, when I trade, I'm at a handicap, big time. I don't know if it's my internet, if it's MXC, my VPN, I don't know. There we go. So because of the different leverage, it's depending on my margin. See how this one's a little bit more because I have more leverage. And then if I get stopped out, then I get stopped out on my short, and I'll be losing my 20 cents plus my fees. I'd expect it to come down already to at least here. So I would expect it to come down to about here. We're coming back up. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. And this is what I recommend doing. Putting $10 in and then just trading it. You know, but don't like, I don't recommend trading this high leverage. You know, put a 3x, a 5x. Like there was CAS and I put $15 in and I had 5x leverage. And I could have cashed out at $5, but I was letting it ride. So I only cashed out like $2.80. And then what you do, like what I do is I put a 0 at the end of this, or maybe even 2 zeros at the end. So by me losing 20 cents, if this hits, it's like me losing $20. By me winning $1, it's like winning like $100. You know, however I want to think about it, that's what I do. And that way, you know, 20 cents, it might not seem like nothing to most people, but for me, it's like, man, that 20 cents, that's $200 right there. I don't want to lose it. And that conditions your brain to where when you do use big money, then let's see here. Demo mode, that's what it is. Thank you, man. Thank you, JB. Appreciate you, man. See on weeks demo mode, that's what I'm doing to learn buttons, but you explain it better. Thank you. It looks like memory leak in your browser from my end. It is. It's my browser, and I got to close like a bunch of tabs and everything. Maybe try Opera or Chrome and see if it's better. Yeah, I got to do that. So like a Source Lex says, okay. So right now I'm positive in my long, and pretty soon I'll be positive in my short. And this is a good habit to do, you know, just to where you're trading with very little money, and it conditions your brain so that when you do trade with $100 and you're doing leverage, like you're already mentally prepared, like, oh man, like my stop loss is going to be, you know, I can lose $20 or $5. And then just ask ChatGPT to make you so let's go back to ChatGPT so we can see the prompt that I used. This is the prompt that I used. And let me see if all of this goes in the chat. Not sure if it'll all fit in the chat. So y'all can copy that and then just ask ChatGPT. I don't know if let me see if Grok does it. I don't know if Grok does to Grok. Paste. See if Grok does it. Oh, look at that. Grok does it too. There you go. And then gives you an explanation too and everything. And this is free. Grok, well, I don't know. I have the paid version of this, so I don't know if I have the lowest paid version of it. Okay, it says, hey fam, finished dinner. Yeah, special light, guys, special light. I plan to start trading with $1,000, but not until I get a solid grasp on leverage, margin. Yeah, I agree. That's about $1 because Weeks put $1 in the futures account for me for some reason. Hey, there you go. Yeah, so only risk 10 cents. I mean, 1 cent. Or maybe even 2 cents. But you don't want to go like, you know, crazy, because then you'll lose that dollar. And that $1 eventually can go up to $2. So what I've done with my account, I'll refresh. What I've done with my account is I've gone from $10 all the way up to $60. And then, man, I got wrecked. I got so wrecked because I started trading higher leverage on coins that move very fast. And I lost a bunch. Like in an hour, I lost everything that I tried making for the last week. So I'm back down to like $20. And then there you go. See, it's only on the paid version of X. Oh, okay. Yeah, you might try Grok then on the free version, see if it does it. It should, hopefully. But I have the paid version of that as well. And so this is what I'll do. I'll hedge trade. So I'm long, eventually long. But if there's an area where I think it might come down, you know, to about here, I'll go short. And then sometimes it'll continue going and my long will get stopped out and my short will keep on running. I was like, oh, good, making money. Let's see, so 10 cents, 10x is $1. So if you wanted to do, see, so 10x, I'm not good at math, man. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Well, let's try it. Let's do CAS. CAS, we're gonna do, we'll do a long 10x. And we're only gonna trade $1. Sometimes they don't let you trade very little. So let's do long. And for my long, I want my stop loss right here. So I'm gonna go copy. So the high risk trade, because my stop loss is so tight. My stop loss should be down here, but let's just see if it lets me. So it won't even let me. So here I won't be able to do a 10x. Let's do a 2x. So sometimes you have to reduce your leverage. Let's do a 3x. No, the least they'll let me lose is 50 cents or whatever it was. So it won't let me trade 3x. So then I gotta go maybe 5x. And this is what I'm looking at right here. You know what? Let me just try it. And then what I can manually do is put my stop loss. So right now I'm gonna go long, and it's gonna be market. No, you know what? Let's go limit. See if it does it. So I'm looking right here, and it's not doing anything. So I want to do $1. So my margin There's so much I'm willing to able to trade, and it won't let me do it. So there's sometimes where you can't do it. Let's go 20x. Will it let me do it? Oh, sure. It'll let me do 20x. So that's 50 cents. But I'm trading with $3, $3.50. But sometimes it won't let you do it. Let's do 10x. If it lets me. So again, margin is what you're trading with. No, it won't let me do $1. Go back to my Bitcoin. All right, guys, any other questions, comments, concerns, issues? Nice. It's gonna be up here for like 30 minutes. Not really, but JB says, I got it now. Thanks. You got it, man. Yeah, if you have any questions on anything, trading view, Telegram, leverage trading, regular trading, let me know. Do it all. Do it all. But hopefully Bitcoin goes up. We'll see. But yeah, I just trade with very little money. Trade with very little money. Until the market gets better. I mean, there's times where I do trade with a little bit more. But on this account is strictly high leverage. And for the high leverage trades, usually I just let them play for a few hours. There was one where I did Bitcoin and I let it run for a day, and that's when I made my 300-400%. And then I was hedge trading as well. All right, so I think that is all. Just double check on this. Where am I at? I have no idea. Let's see here. All right, bring this back over here. Go back to my live stream. All right, so that's gonna be it for the show. I do a 4 o'clock show on Piper Academy, so I should be there. Let's see here. I've been doing too much streams yesterday. My head is fried. Yeah, believe that. So I'll be doing a stream on Piper Academy, and then I don't know. I might do a stream tonight around midnight. We'll see. We shall see. Try to get more viewers, because the amount of viewers I have makes me cry. Makes me cry. What says, thank you, Joe, for all the work you do. Truly amazing. Never stop, brother. Just trying to help people not get bamboozled. That's my goal. All right, guys. Well, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. We'll do a commercial today. So let's go. Let's roll the commercial in 3, 2. Well, before I do that, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the best. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. We will see you on the next one. Until then, let's make this fun. Commercial time. 3, 2, 1. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.